Right, so if you watch the channel, you know I've come back from major back surgery, torn supraspinatus in my left shoulder. I'm on the road to 1,000 pounds trying to build up my squat, bench, and deadlift. I've now started playing with some overhead press, so I'm going to do the road to a 230-pound push press. I haven't been doing any heavy overhead. New Year's, I hit a 192-pound overhead press, and it felt good. Up until that point, I'd just been going light, working with cables, bands, dumbbells, chaotic overhead press with PVC bar and some bands, kettlebells dangling from them. Shoulders are feeling good. So here I'm doing some speed work with chains, just trying to prime my nervous system. Then moving into some light overhead press with chains. So 88 pounds at the bottom, 100 and whatever that is at the top, 138 at the top. So what I'm trying to do is work on my lockout. When I tore my shoulder apart, I had some nerve damage and it affected my left tricep. So I got the chains, making it so that the lockout is the hardest part. I got to really drive into that and then push hard with my triceps to finish through on the lockout. So right now, my max, 1 rep max I hit the other day, 209-pound push press without chains. So here I'm going 154 at the bottom and 204 pounds at the top. I'm going to try adding kilogram, 2.2 pounds every week. Soon I'll be able to push 3 reps over my 1 rep max at the top, hopefully, and just keep building from there. So that was my first set. I did 6 sets total with this weight, sets of 3. Here you can see I actually failed my last rep, which I did not want to do. I don't really think when you're training like this that it's good to fail a rep. It's not awesome for the nervous system. So I was pretty ticked off about that. But my first time doing this heavy with chains. So onwards and upwards from here. Overall, I was really happy with the workout. You can see I went to go for the rep again and I drove it off the safeties and it just threw me off. Here, doing some 80-pound dumbbells on a little bit of a steeper incline press. So I tweaked my forearm doing weighted pull-ups. So it hurts to start the dumbbell with my left arm. So I'm using the Mad Spotters, you can see. You just hook them on the barbell, start them from the top. So what I love about these is that you can get your shoulders set really nicely before you start the movement. Generally, when I'm feeling good, I start them from my knees, but I think it's a really good option for people that have a hard time getting their shoulders set or any kind of injuries you need to work around. Honestly, it lets you start in the most optimal position, and I see that as a very positive thing. Just a matter of getting the barbell height set correctly so you're starting from a good spot. They take a little bit of getting used to, but honestly, they're really kind of diverse tool. So you see here doing my rear delts. Again, my forearm's bad enough that holding a dumbbell or even a cable and pulling it out to the side with my hand hurts my forearm. So what I did was just took a ankle strap, put it around my wrist, and strapped the cable to it. So what I did was I just supersetted reverse flies with lateral raises. Did high reps on these. Those are my accessories. Thanks for watching. Have a great night.